If you manage multiple sites or client projects, you know how much time it takes into setting up staging environments, handling updates, and keeping everything organized. But what if I told you there's a tool that makes managing all this effortless? Hey, I'm Andrea, and today I'm going to show you how InstaWP helped me save hours, streamline my workflow, and ultimately help me to boost my client satisfaction. Let's jump right in. Running multiple WordPress websites doesn't have to be chaotic. InstaWP is the tool that revolutionized the way I manage projects. From creating staging sites to seamless migrations and much more, InstaWP has made my life so much easier. So let's look at staging site. One of the biggest challenges in WordPress development is setting up staging environment. Staging lets you test changes without affecting your live site, your production site. But setting up a staging site manually can be a hassle, taking hours to configure for each project. And InstaWP has streamlined this process. Creating a staging site used to take hours. I had to copy all site files and database manually, set up a separate server, adjust configurations, and test everything to ensure that everything works as it should. This process typically took around 3 to 4 hours, but with InstaWP, I can now do this in under 60 seconds. I know, right? Just a few clicks and InstaWP automatically copies my files, sets up a secure environment, and configures everything for me. So I have a full test environment ready in seconds, ready to go. Now I can skip the tedious setup and focus on what really matters. This feature alone has been a game changer. Imagine how much more you could accomplish with those extra hours. And next up is InstaWP's templates feature. Think of this as a set of ready-to-go blueprints for your website. Templates help you bypass the setup time, providing pre-configured plugins, themes, and settings that you can apply instantly. One of the best ways to streamline your work with InstaWP is by creating your templates or selecting one from the template store. This simple setup saves you valuable time and allows you to go live with your next project quickly, just by updating the content and making a few customizations. Using templates, I've been able to cut my development time by 50%. Instead of spending hours or even days configuring basic setup, I can select a template, make a few adjustments here and there, and the site is ready for content. This is ideal for client projects where a consistent setup is needed or when I want a quick professional starting point. And don't forget, InstaWP also offers powerful hosting solutions that make managing a site even easier. I'll cover more about that at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around until then. Whether it's building from scratch or customizing a template, InstaWP's template make my process faster, allowing me to take on more client projects, serve more clients, and boost my revenue, of course. Also, staying organized is essential when managing multiple projects. InstaWP's centralized dashboard is like my control center. It consolidates all staging sites, updates, and client previews in one place, which makes it incredibly easy to manage. No more flipping through tabs, no more digging through emails or spreadsheets. InstaWP keeps everything right where I need it. On average, I save around 2 hours each week just by having all my project details and updates in one location. This centralized system has made my workflow so much smoother, helping me stay on top of all my projects without the usual headache. And I'm sure you can relate to that. Anyone who manages multiple WordPress websites knows how time-consuming updates can be. InstaWP's bulk update and autosync feature has saved me hours and by allowing me to update everything at once with just one click. So no more logging into each site and updating plugins one by one. InstaWP handles it all at once, making sure my sites stay current and secure and without the usual hassle. What used to take me hours each month now takes only minutes. It's really an essential feature for anyone managing multiple sites and wanting to maximize productivity. And now let's talk about my my absolute favorite features, site migration. For agencies managing multiple projects, site migrations is often a repetitive and time-consuming task. The complexity and hours that it can take make it a real challenge. But with InstaWP, this process transforms from a repetitive and a dreaded task into a seamless, time-saving solution. InstaWP's migration capabilities let your team focus on delivering great client experiences without being bogged down by technical hassles. InstaWP's one-click migration lets you move a site in a matter of minutes. No technical knowledge is required. Whether it's moving to a new server, to a new platform, or hosting provider, it's effortless. Migrating used to take me 2-3 hours per site. Now, a simple click and the job is done. No downtime, no stress, just smooth sailing. This alone has saved me so much time and has made the process so much easier and of course less painful. And one of the best parts about InstaWP, the ability to share live previews with clients. In any project, getting client feedback and approval is essential, of course, but it can be one of the most time-consuming parts about it. InstaWP's client preview feature simplifies this process by letting you send clients a live preview link to their site. So instead of emailing back and forth screenshots or arranging calls, I send them a link to a live interactive preview. This way, clients see exactly what their site will look like and can give feedback in real time. Since using this feature, I've seen a 40% increase in client approvals and a massive reduction in revisions. It makes the whole process faster, clearer, and more satisfying for the client, which means that they are happier with the results and I can move on to the next project sooner. Alright, so I'm saving the best for last. If you have been following along, you have already seen how InstaWP can save you time and streamline your workflow. But let's talk about the secret sauce that ties it all together. InstaWP's managed hosting with InstaWP Live. Over the years, I have tried different hosting providers, but InstaWP's managed hosting stands out. With InstaWP's Live, you're not just getting hosting, you are getting real-time, hands-on control of your client site with zero downtime. This feature completely removes the need for waiting around while things are being set up. What makes InstaWP truly revolutionary, it's its speed and security. With built-in advanced cache, DDoS protection, and automated backups, I don't have to worry about my client sites going down during crucial updates or site migrations. The best part, this stability leads directly to client satisfaction. When your sites are fast, reliable, and secure, your clients are happy. And happy clients mean 50% higher client retention. So if you're ready to take your WordPress game to the next level, trust me, InstaWP's managed hosting with InstaWP Live is the final piece of the puzzle. Secure, fast, reliable, and hassle-free. And it's exactly what will make your clients stick around for the long haul. So there you have it. InstaWP has truly transformed the way I work. From staging sites to bulk updates and easy migrations, InstaWP has saved me hours, boosted my efficiency, and helped me deliver even better results for my clients. And here's the best part. If you are ready to give InstaWP a try, use my exclusive coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off the monthly plan for the next 6 months. And you will wonder how you have ever managed without it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Until then, happy building.